Hello and welcome to SmythOS's monthly product update video series. We have 5 exciting updates to share today. First up, we're introducing form previews. Form previews allow you to visualize your agent skills by displaying them in a standard form format. Form previews allow you to test individual agent skills rather than entire agent behavior, validate agent configurations instantly before deployment, and check the structure of input fields, ensuring all required components are in place. If an agent is missing components, Form Preview also alerts you and disables the Run button until everything is properly configured. To use Form Previews, simply navigate to your agent workflow in SmythOS, click on any agent skill component that displays the Form Preview button, and then run the preview to see real-time outputs. Our second update is AgentLLM with Passthrough Mode. We're making agent deployment even more seamless with AgentLLM. AgentLLM allows you to deploy SmythOS agents as OpenAI-compatible LLMs with just 3 lines of code. This means you can integrate your AI agents directly into Python, JavaScript, and other applications with ease. AgentLLM also comes with a couple additional features. The first is real-time insights. With Passthrough Mode, you can now see intermediate steps in your agent's execution, providing live updates as the agent processes information. Second, AgentLLM supports multiple agent versions. Easily test agents at different development stages like dev, prod, or use version numbers. To use it, deploy your agent to make it available outside of SmythOS local environment, get the API keys by accessing the dropdown, and copy the simple code snippet into your application. Optionally, you can toggle on Passthrough Mode to stream real-time execution updates. Our third update is Chat Message View Embodiments. Now, integrating SmythOS chat agents is even smoother. You now have the option to use Chat UI with the full message view. Users can export this code snippet to embed a Message View Chat UI directly into their applications. Just navigate to the Advanced UI configuration and agent settings, and then click Export Code Snippet button with the full message view option selected. Our fourth update is one-click plugins. Our first plugin that we're introducing one-click option is Google Sheet. Our one-click plugin allows you to connect to Google Sheet services instantly without managing API keys. To use this, you can simply drag and drop a Google Sheet component into your canvas and then click the Connect button to log into your Google account. Once you successfully log in with two-factor authentication, you can now use the component as you wish. And our last update is new model and integration support. Finally, we've expanded our model and integrations. SmythOS now includes OpenAI's O3 Mini for optimized LLM performance, SerpStat integrations for advanced SEO and keyword search, and ScrapingBee for effortless web scraping. These additions make it even easier to build AI-powered applications that interact with web data, analytics, and advanced AI models. And that's all for this month's SmythOS updates. Stay tuned for more enhancements coming soon. Visit our website and join our community to keep up with the latest updates and features. Let's build the future of AI together.